Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, your go-to place for home projects, creativity, and all things DIY. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our budget-friendly and creative ideas. Today's project is one of my absolute favorites. We're diving into the world of DIY wall art using recycled materials. Not only is this a fantastic way to add personality to your space, but it's also super eco-friendly, affordable, and completely customizable. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this guide will walk you through every step of creating stunning wall art pieces using materials you probably already have around your home, like old magazines, cardboard, scrap wood, fabric scraps, tin cans, and more. So if you've ever looked at a bare wall and thought, this could use something unique, then grab your coffee, gather those forgotten items from your recycling bin, and let's get creating. Before we dive into each project, here are some general materials and tools that will come in handy across the board. Cardboard boxes, old magazines or newspapers, scrap wood, bottle caps or tin can, lids, fabric remnants, glue, gun and glue sticks, Mod Podge or clear sealer, acrylic paints and brushes, ruler and measuring tape, scissors and utility knife, pencil and stencil, optional, hanging hardware or adhesive strips. Tip: lay out all your materials on a covered surface and get creative with combinations. The best part of this kind of DIY is that there are no rules. Step 1. Gather and sort your magazines. Choose old magazines or catalogs with bold images and colors. You're going to cut these into strips or squares, so the more variety, the better. Step 2. Create your canvas. Use a piece of cardboard, wood, or even the back of an old picture frame. Paint it white or black depending on your color theme. Step 3. Design your layout. Draw your desired shape or pattern. Geometric, abstract, even an animal silhouette works. Use a pencil to lightly sketch your outlines. Step 4. Cut and glue. Start cutting your magazine pages into small squares, triangles, or strips. Begin gluing them from the edge of the design inward. Overlap them slightly for a tight mosaic effect. Step 5. Seal and frame. Once you've covered your shape, apply a layer of Mod Podge to seal. Let it dry and add a frame or simply hang it as is. Result: a vibrant, colorful piece of wall art that looks expensive but costs you almost nothing. Step 1. Source your wood. You can use leftover wood planks, a dismantled pallet, or wood scraps from previous projects. Step 2. Sand and prep. Lightly sand your pieces to smooth out splinters. Keep the rustic charm. Step 3. Layout and attach. Arrange the pieces horizontally or in a herringbone pattern. Use wood glue or nails to attach them to a backing board or directly to the wall. Step 4. Paint or stencil. You can leave it bare for a rustic look or paint a quote, mandala, or nature-inspired design over it. Step 5. Hang. Use D-rings or heavy-duty adhesive strips depending on the weight. Result: a textured, farmhouse-inspired feature that becomes the centerpiece of any room. Step 1. Collect and clean. Gather several tin can lids. Make sure there are no sharp edges. Use a metal file or sandpaper if needed. Step 2. Design a theme. Choose a theme: floral, celestial, minimalistic shapes. Paint each lid with a base color. Step 3. Add details. Use paint pens or fine brushes to add designs: stars, moons, tribal shapes, or flowers. You can even decoupage small cutouts onto them. Step 4. Mounting glue or nail them onto a large piece of wood, foam board, or an old mirror backing in a grid or random pattern. Result: a modern, industrial, chic art piece that's totally upcycled. Step 1. Choose your fabrics. Old t-shirts, scarves, pillowcases, or even denim jeans work great. Step 2. Cut into shapes. Cut out triangles, circles, squares, or even petal shapes. Step 3. Mount to background glue or sew the fabric pieces onto a large canvas or thick burlap. Arrange them into a pattern like a sunrise, mountain scene, or abstract design. Step 4. Frame or hang with a rod. Use a dowel rod to hang it tapestry style or stretch it over a wooden frame. Result: a boho chic art piece with a soft texture that brings warmth and creativity to your space. Step 1. Get your boxes. Use small cardboard boxes, cereal, tea, or packaging. Cut them into panels. Step 2. Design dimensional shapes. Create a layered scene, like a mountain range, city skyline, or waves. Cut your panels in different heights and glue foam in between for spacing. Step 3. Paint or cover. Paint the entire structure or wrap parts in newspaper or decorative paper for a mix of textures. Step 4. Final touches. Add embellishments like string, buttons, or natural elements like twigs or pressed flowers. Result, a statement wall piece with serious visual interest and tons of creative freedom. Bottle cap, mandala, art. Glue bottle caps in a radial pattern, then paint each in a different tone. CD shard art. Break old CDs and arrange the shards to mimic stained glass. Old book page collage, tear and layer old pages with quotes and abstract paint dabs. Cork wall grid. Glue wine corks in rows and use it as both decor and a functional pinboard. And there you have it. Some truly stunning wall art ideas you can create from items that might have just ended up in the trash. These projects not only help reduce waste, but also let your personal creativity shine through your space. Remember, DIY isn't about perfection. It's about expression, resourcefulness, and having fun in the process. Whether you try one or all of these ideas, I'd love to see your creations. Tag me on Instagram or leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with your fellow DIY lovers. Your support helps this channel grow and keeps the inspiration flowing. And if you'd like more upcycled DIY content like this, check out my playlist on eco-friendly projects. I'll link it right here on the screen and in the description below. Thanks for watching, and remember, your home is your canvas, so make it a masterpiece. Until next time, keep crafting.